In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key to boosting your website's visibility. A free Chrome extension packed with over 250 features can be your secret weapon. This powerful tool helps SEO enthusiasts, marketers, and content creators improve their website's performance. This essay will explore the advantages of this free SEO Chrome extension. We'll delve into its key features and provide practical examples of how to use them. By the end, you'll be ready to download the extension and take your SEO to new heights. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are the words and phrases people use to find information online. This extension's keyword analysis tool helps you discover valuable keywords to target in your content. The tool provides insights into keyword volume, competition, and relevance. You can see how many people are searching for a particular keyword. You can also gauge the competition level, helping you target keywords that are achievable for your website's authority. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. They signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. The extension's backlink analysis tool helps you analyze your website's backlink profile. You can see who is linking to your website and the quality of those links. The tool identifies any toxic or spammy links that could harm your rankings. You can then use this information to build a strong and healthy backlink profile. Technical SEO focuses on improving your website's infrastructure and code. This ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience for both visitors and search engines. The extension's technical SEO audit tool scans your website for any technical issues. It checks for broken links, slow loading speed, mobile friendliness, and other factors. The tool provides actionable recommendations to fix these issues and improve your website's overall performance. Competitor analysis, learning from the best. Keeping an eye on your competitors is essential in the ever-evolving world of SEO. This extension's competitor analysis tool lets you spy on your rivals' strategies. You can see which keywords they are ranking for, their backlink profile, and even their content strategy. This information can help you identify opportunities to outrank them and gain a competitive edge. Additional features, a multitude of SEO tools. Beyond the core features mentioned above, this Chrome extension offers a treasure trove of additional SEO tools. These include on-page SEO analysis. Analyze individual pages on your website to identify areas for improvement in content, keywords, and meta tags. This tool helps you understand how well your pages are optimized for search engines and provides actionable insights to enhance your content strategy. By focusing on key elements like keyword density, meta descriptions, and header tags, you can ensure that each page is fully optimized to rank higher in search results. Rank tracking. Monitor your website's rankings for target keywords and track your progress over time. This feature allows you to see how your SEO efforts are paying off and identify which keywords are driving the most traffic to your site. By regularly tracking your rankings, you can make informed decisions about where to focus your optimization efforts and stay ahead of the competition. Website speed test. Measure your website's loading speed and receive recommendations for optimization. A fast-loading website is crucial for both user experience and search engine rankings. This tool helps you identify any issues that may be slowing down your site and provides specific suggestions for improvement, such as optimizing images, reducing server response time, and leveraging browser caching. Schema markup. Generator. Create structured data markup to enhance your website's visibility in search results. Structured data helps search engines understand the content of your pages better and can lead to rich snippets, which are more attractive and informative search results. This tool simplifies the process of adding schema markup to your site, making it easier to improve your search presence and attract more clicks. These are just a few of the many tools available in this comprehensive SEO extension. Each tool is designed to help you optimize different aspects of your website, from content and keywords to technical performance and user experience. By leveraging these tools, you can gain a competitive edge in the search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic to your site. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or just getting started, this extension provides the resources you need to succeed in the ever-evolving world of search engine optimization. Practical examples. Putting the extension to work. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use this extension's features to enhance your SEO strategy and improve your website's performance. Finding keywords. Imagine you're writing a blog post about healthy breakfast ideas. You want to ensure that your content reaches the right audience and ranks well on search engines. The keyword analysis tool can help you discover related keywords like quick and easy breakfast recipes or healthy breakfast smoothies. By identifying these keywords, you can tailor your content to match what people are searching for, increasing your chances of appearing in search results. Analyzing backlinks. You notice a competitor's website has a strong backlink profile. Backlinks are crucial for SEO as they signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Use the backlink analysis tool to identify websites linking to them. This can give you insights into which sites might be willing to link to your content as well. Reach out to these websites and explore opportunities to earn backlinks from those same websites. Building a strong backlink profile can significantly boost your website's authority and search engine ranking. Improving page speed. The technical SEO audit tool reveals that your website has a slow loading speed. Page speed is a critical factor for user experience and SEO. Follow the tool's recommendations to optimize images, leverage browser caching, and minimize JavaScript. These steps can help reduce loading times and improve the overall user experience on your site. By implementing these changes, you can enhance your website's performance, making it faster and more efficient. This not only helps with SEO, but also keeps visitors engaged and satisfied. In summary, using this extension can provide you with valuable insights and tools to optimize your website. From finding the right keywords to analyzing backlinks and improving page speed, these features can help you stay ahead in the competitive world of SEO. Start putting the extension to work today and watch your website's performance soar. With consistent effort and the right tools, you can achieve remarkable results. Maximizing your SEO efforts. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips to get the most out of this free SEO Chrome extension. First, use it regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to SEO. By using the extension on a regular basis, you can stay on top of your website's performance and make timely adjustments. This will help you to identify trends and patterns that can inform your SEO strategy. SEO is an ongoing process. It's not something you can set and forget. Regularly monitoring your website's performance will help you to stay ahead of the competition and ensure that your site is always optimized for search engines. Make it a habit to use the extension regularly to monitor your website's performance and identify areas for improvement. This will help you to stay on top of any changes in search engine algorithms and make sure that your site is always performing at its best. Second, don't overlook the basics. While the extension offers advanced features, it's important to remember the fundamentals of SEO. This includes creating high-quality content that is relevant to your audience and building a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. While the extension offers advanced features, don't forget the fundamentals of SEO, such as creating high-quality content and building a user-friendly website. High-quality content is essential for attracting and retaining visitors, while a user-friendly website will help to keep them engaged and encourage them to return. Lastly, experiment and track results. SEO is not an exact science, and what works for one website may not work for another. By experimenting with different strategies and tracking your results, you can find out what works best for your site and make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. SEO is not an exact science. It's important to be flexible and willing to try new things. By experimenting with different strategies, you can find out what works best for your site and make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and track your results to see what works best for your website. This will help you to stay ahead of the competition and ensure that your site is always optimized for search engines. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and by staying on top of your website's performance, you can ensure that your site is always performing at its best. The power of free SEO tools. In a world where premium SEO tools can be expensive, this free Chrome extension is a game changer. It empowers website owners, marketers, and content creators with powerful features to improve their online visibility without breaking the bank. Conclusion: take your SEO to the next level. This free SEO Chrome extension, with its over 250 features, is an invaluable asset for anyone looking to boost their website's performance. From keyword research to backlink analysis and technical SEO audits, this tool provides a comprehensive suite of features to empower your SEO efforts. Call to action. Download and dominate. Don't let your website get lost in the digital abyss. Download this free SEO Chrome extension today and unlock the power of effective SEO. Start improving your website's visibility, driving more organic traffic, and achieving your online goals.